Hey guys, Like here. I want to show you a quick video how to replace your turn signals on a Honda Nighthawk. This is a 1995 Honda Nighthawk I have here. So I used to tape these up to fix them temporarily, but you know, they wear out. And I decided to just replace them, find something right now, you know, to replace it with. I found this set, I think on eBay, on Amazon. I'll try to provide a link below. They're smaller, but hopefully they will do the job for now. I do want to get the OEM set, but they are about $100 a set. They're about 30 bucks each. So we're gonna try this out. This was about 25 bucks for the set of 4. Yeah, that's it. Let's try to install this. I'll show you guys really quick how to get in there. We're not cutting anything. We're gonna clip everything back up. We're not cutting any wires, so that's important. You know, try to keep it as clean as possible. You're gonna need a 14mm socket and a Phillips screwdriver or a drill to remove this part of your bike, the body here, so we can get to the wiring. A wrench to unscrew the screw that holds the blinker on the inside, and a flathead screwdriver. So I actually already removed the bolts that sit here. Those are the 2 bolts that were right here. So they were removed with the 14mm socket. Then these guys, the Phillips ones, were sitting right here on the end. Those are the 4 bolts you're removing. There is a washer in between here, so when you remove this, remember to get these washers. So another thing is there's clips on the body here connecting to the front, right? So you don't want to break these off. The way you're gonna pop these out is get a flathead screwdriver, be careful not to scratch up your bike, and just get it in there and twist it, and that pops it open so you're not damaging your clips. So now we have the body off. It is connected here to your brake light, so you can leave this on or disconnect it. I don't have to take this off. I'm gonna leave it on just like that. Now we gotta find out where the rear turn signals are running. So the wire's under here. I'll show you guys. So this is your left. There's a little bolt here. That's what you're gonna unscrew. And this is your right. Same idea. This is the one we're doing right now. So I actually already loosened this. I'm just gonna unscrew this right now. And check where the wire is running, right? So there's one wire here and the other one from the other side that's running here. They're both connecting between this little fuse box here, or whatever that is. So we're gonna pull that out, and this is where your 2 brakes are connecting. So first we're going with this one, which is right here. Since I'm not cutting wires, I'm not disconnecting the battery or anything, I'm just pulling this out. Disconnect it, pull this through here. Now I'm gonna unscrew that screw in there, pull this out, and that's it. Nice, clean, no cutting. Save this washer as you need this in here. We're gonna get a new light. They don't come with shrink tubing, so I put some on just for extra protection. So I'm gonna run this through. Oh, just to show you guys, there's a black and white and an all black wire. The all black is the positive, that's gonna be the green. The black and white is the negative, that's gonna be the blue. Easy to tell what the green is because there's 2 greens connected, so don't disconnect the other one so you don't get confused yet. Run there, gotta get the right bolt. Tighten this up with your wrench. Now we're gonna run this through. These wires are a little shorter, so for the other side, we might actually have to add to the wire or replace it with the old one. We'll see. But I'll hide this under here nicely. And now we'll just connect it. And they just clip right in. So all black to the green, that's your positive. The one with the white line is going to the blue. Now before we move forward, let's give it a quick test, you know, make sure it actually works. So as you guys can see, it's actually decent light for the little blinker. as opposed to the old one. You know, it is gonna be brighter. So that's good. Turn off the keys. Yeah guys, that's it. Now we're gonna do the other side, same exact idea. Then we're gonna move on to the front. I noticed with the front, it might be harder to get to the connectors because it's all embedded in the headlight. I might just opt out for cutting the wires, as I am planning to, with time, get the original ones. So once I get these, I'll show you the proper installation of these original ones once we have them. I hope this is helpful. Remember, reassembly the full board, 4 bolts, the washers that go here, tuck this back in there, and your rear brake lights are done. I mean, brake turn signals are done. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up. Have a great day.